What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Andrew Kobos. This is Kobos Gaming, and right now, guys, we're gonna switch up the pace for the channel. We are pivoting from just posting gaming content, as you can see, and today I'm bringing to you guys a nice little unboxing review, and we're gonna do our first installment of Hype or Nah. Hey, who's ready for this video? So we got something in the mail, something that I've been waiting for here, and it was pretty hype, bro. It's pretty hype so far. I heard a lot of people talking about this, and it is gonna be, oh, you see it, the green? Is it Xbox? Nah, just kidding. The Razer Blackshark headset V2. So there is 3 different headset types that you can get. There's the V2, there's the V2, the V2X, which is the lower budget version of this Razer product, and then there's the V2 Pro, which is the wireless version of this product. This is gonna be the unboxing of this headset. The first time that I'm opening it, I haven't done so yet. I usually like to open my packages right as soon as I get it. First on the box, we got the THX Spatial Audio Tri-4s, titanium 50mm drivers. Then we got the Hyperclear cardioid mic. Ooh, okay. I like the packaging too, man. Good design on the package all around. Got Razer on the side. This is what the headset looks like in the back. We've got all the things in the front. It comes with a USB sound card. My first time that I'll have to deal with that. I'm not too sure what it is, if I'm being honest. Like I said, compatible with PC, Mac, PlayStation 4, Switch, Xbox One, and smartphone. So you're good to go for everything, guys. So let's get to unboxing this. Pulling out. Don't do that at home, kids. Oh, there's a little peel here. And guys, I bought this headset on Amazon. No, bought it on eBay, but I will leave down on the link a affiliate link for the Amazon product that you guys can look at, and I'll find the best price for you guys so you all aren't being ripped off or anything. I got this one for $65, and it's a $120 headset. I'll put the right price right here. Let's do what we've been waiting for. So we got a little tab right there. It says for gamers by gamers. That's pretty lit. Okay. And as we open it, okay, this kind of coming apart, so that's not looking too good right now. But hey, it ain't my product, so I ain't gotta do anything for it. So we just got like some instructions, I guess. Thank you for choosing Razer. Protect your Razer gear today. So some warranty. The Blackshark. Ooh, got some stickers. Ooh, stickers. But yeah, guys, pretty much just some paperwork. Nothing fancy. Okay, nothing else inside the box. It's got this nice little velvet bag. Got a nice little feel to it, nice texture. And we got the strings, green. So that's freaking cool, dude. I love the green and black look. But all right, so we got this packaging just holding the headset in, and then this packaging holding the cables. Okay, so this is the cable. It is wired, doesn't come off, so it is a wired headset. Okay, so let's unpackage the wires. Okay, so I don't know why their stuff always comes with this like rubber thing. Like my computer charge has one too. I have a Razer Blade 15, so not big of a fan. Okay, so we got the sound capture on the headset. That's pretty nice. Ooh, I like that. That nice little snap it. Okay, but look, you can take out the sound capture as well, and you can plug it into your things that you need. Boom. What could be in here then? Oh, the mic. Okay, so the mic does come out. The mic connects in there, and the audio jack. Nice and chilling. Alright, so the one problem I heard about this before I purchased it was this adjustment feature. It said that it like does it individually, which can get a little bit frustrating. But to me, it's pretty smooth. Go up and down. Oh yeah, that's nice. No, I don't know why people are complaining about this. This is good to go for me, man. All right, so let's okay, we got the mute button there with the little nice and green. Oh man, the contrast in this is great, dude. I love it. Got the adjustment for it. And now we're gonna go back into like a wider angle. I'm gonna show you this as I'm putting it on and doing all that good stuff. But I heard the audio is great, so we're gonna plug it into the PS5 and see how it sounds, get some initial reaction. So here it is, guys. I got the controller, we got the capture card going, and we got the chat link right here. So look, we're gonna put this headset on, adjust it real quick, and it's got more of that. Oh wow, sound canceling. It's good, guys. I like, as soon as I put it on, it's just feels way nicer than what I had before. And to show you all what I had before, I had the Steel Series. I'm not too sure what model it is, I forgot, but this is the one I had before, the Steel Series wireless. So yeah, this feels nice and snug to my head, comfortable, very comfortable. The cupping on the side, it feels nice and soft. It's got a good texture to it. It's not like crazy in my head, man. The adjustment is perfect. It's nice and smooth. I can make it as tight as I need, or I can make it as loose as I want to be. And we got the thing here on the left, I think, for the audio. So let's plug it into the controller and get a little test run going. Oh. Okay. So yeah. Guys, this thing is crispy, man. Ooh. Alright, so it feels really nice right off the bat. The microphone, the adjustment is really like nice and sturdy. But I hear that it can go loose on you. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm careful with as how like often I'm adjusting it, so it doesn't do that to me. But here we got the PS5 going, and it so far sounds awesome, dude. Let's pull up Warzone, see how it sounds. Okay, it's got good bass, very good bass to it. Yeah, that's nice. And that was good. Okay, man, this sounds crisp. And currently the volume is all the way up, so it's really nice. This is definitely going to be my favorite headset. From what I've seen online, there's issues with the mic going like limp. And I think this is the other problem right here. The adjustment on this can be bad for some people. So I guess it's a hit or miss on the product that you purchase. And for those of you that don't know, we do stream on Twitch from Thursday to Sunday nights. So hit your boy up. A link down in the description. Kobos Gaming, guys. Hit that follow button. Join the Pimp Fam. Okay, so I hear audio there. Pretty distinct on my left here. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Into the area. Watch the skies.
And right now I turned it down a little bit, so it's not as loud. Okay, there we go. Full audio. Okay. I'm stuck on the tree. Woo!
You're done warming up. Stand by for deployment.
But I like it. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we just did the sound test with the gameplay of Call of Duty. Just initial reactions, sounds really good. Very crisp audio. Left to right it's there, what you need. And you can adjust it using the Razer Synapse app. So I'll probably do that later. If you want to see a 1 month later review on the headset, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll add it as soon as possible because I know how time sensitive these kind of decisions can be for you guys. I'm trying to help everybody out there who's looking to purchase this item, who's looking for a new gaming headset. This is the big talk of 2021 from a lot of different influencers. So I hope that this video helped you guys make that decision. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button down below. Help your boy out. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, or for Warzone or Apex Legends gameplay. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. And as always, stay awesome, possum. Peace.